In the legal profession, we tend to sit back and wait to innovate or to do something we think we should be doing until we see another firm or another lawyer do it and agree that it looks okay and it looks safe. Well, let's discuss. Well, welcome to Legal Marketing Minutes, where I share short bursts of current marketing news and advice. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. If we haven't met, I'm a marketing and business development advisor specializing in content, social, and digital media for lawyers and legal marketers. Your time is valuable, so let's get started, okay? Well, isn't that true? My beginning statement that we tend to wait. We want to make sure it's safe out there. We want to make sure that someone else has launched a podcast, or we want to make sure that someone else has invested in a certain community project. And then we know we have to do it because, well, we should be there too. And what that often does is it causes just a Me Too approach that makes us look like just another firm or just another company or organization that is involved versus standing out. And the reason this stuck out to me is that, and you might think this is kind of odd, I have now twice this summer seen the movie Summer of Soul. And if you haven't seen it, you really should. I saw it in the theater, even though it was already on, I think it's on Hulu too. So you might be able to find it on Hulu, because then I told my husband it was so good he needed to watch it. So we found it on Hulu and we both watched it. Again, I loved it that much. But it's about the Harlem Cultural Festival in 1969 that was going on at the same time as Woodstock, but nobody really outside of that area heard about it very much on the news because it wasn't reported that much, although it spanned, I think, weekends for either 6 or 8 weekends. And you will love it. You will love it because of the talent that you will see there and names you will definitely know. Anyhow, one of the quotes, Sly Stone was on stage a few times, at least a few times they showed in the movie. And you'll think this is so funny because, again, maybe odd, because at one point he was telling everybody in the crowd to go ahead and start singing along, or it was clapping. I don't remember which. I've seen it twice. I should know the whole thing by heart, right? But he told them, come on, he was basically saying, come on, go ahead, get involved, let yourself go and just join in with me. And his quote was this. He said, "Don't be waiting for approval from your neighbor because your neighbor might be waiting for you." Let me read that again. Sly said, "Don't be waiting for approval from your neighbor because your neighbor might be waiting for you." And that is true on a couple different levels, isn't it? It's obviously what I stated at the very beginning, which is that we wait to do things, we wait to innovate because we are waiting for someone else to do it first, when really what might be happening is that they might be waiting for us to do it too. So what happens? It never gets done. Nobody starts. Everybody's afraid to start. Or it might be that you would really like to get involved in something and it speaks to you and you want to express your personal brand, your personality, but you're kind of afraid to do it because it seems a little too out there or a little too assertive, or what if I look silly? What if my voice sounds bad on this recording? What if I don't use perfect words? What if? And we can what if ourselves until it's too late, and we then one day regret it because we have never just gone ahead and gotten involved or innovated like we knew we could if we had just stepped forward. So I urge you to be like Sly and don't wait for approval from your neighbor, because your neighbor might be waiting for you. And when you think about it, that can also mean that someone else might need your confidence. And for the business professionals listening, it might be someone else in the industry who is just waiting for some confidence, waiting for someone else to lend a hand and say, "Hey, what do you think? How about you? And I'd love to hear what you think about this," and help them feel like it's comfortable to do so. So again, be like Sly and don't wait for approval from your neighbor, because your neighbor might be waiting for you. Well, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Minutes. Please do me a favor and let me know what you think about this quote quote from Sly Stone, and if it resonates with you, and if you think that you are also guilty of waiting around until your neighbor actually does something first. And if you agree with this at all, if you're in a place where you can leave a comment, please do so, as I'd love to hear from you. If you're not at a place where you can leave a comment, you can always find me on my blog at myrlandmarketing.com, which is MYRLAND marketing.com. Well, thank you so much for spending a few legal marketing minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending a few of those minutes right here with me. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.